it's really nice to understand more when it is to solar. Don't forget that in the Philippines, I think not just in the Philippines, in the whole Asia Pacific, we have the most expensive electricity, right? So we really need to tend to solar. We just had a meeting last time with Cynthia Villar, and even them really using a lot of solar right now in the farm and also in a lot of her businesses. In our farm also, we're using like, I think 50% we're using solar. Okay, so thank you so much, Jenny, and we like to learn more about using solar. And in my farther left, okay, she has 2 million followers in her TikTok account. Right now, in the Philippines, social media were very big. 75 million Filipinos are into social media, or if it's 110 Filipinos right now, 100 million Filipinos right now. We have 75 million Filipinos in social media. So, as what they say, if you're not in social media, you're not existing. So let's learn more. And she's actually part of the Mother's Day issue of this one of the current issue of the magazine. Let's all welcome Milan Cruz.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Milan Cruz. I'm a single mom. I'm a part-time model, TikTokerist. I'm a makeup artist, and I also work for Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions. It's my privilege to be part or featuring here in Rising Tigers magazine. I would like to thank Miss Grace, of course, for inviting me and to be featured here with my family. And I would like to thank you for being here, and also my followers in TikTok who's here. Charm, all the way from Cavite, and some all the way from Bulacan and from Laguna. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, so yung mga wala pang TikTok, you need to have your own TikTok na. As what they say, we can sell using social media accounts. Okay? So that's why we have so many followers in our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And to learn more, we have also our team here from TikTok. Okay, so and now again, I would like to say thank you each and every one of you. If you have questions, just let us know, and so that we can start for the magazine signing. Again, this is our 4th time. Okay, the only thorn between the roses. Let's all welcome one of the big here in the Philippines, motivational speaker and entrepreneur, Jan Callow.
First of all, I'd like to, of course, honor all the mothers who are also at the same time pushing the Philippine business growth here in the Philippines. My name is John Callow, and I'm just part of this Rising Tigers. I've been we are I really recommend everybody